Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you where is the sticker with AC refrigerant type. To find AC refrigerant type sticker, take a look at the front of engine compartment. The sticker is located right here. Thanks to this sticker, we can learn that this car uses R1234YF refrigerant and up to 680 grams for 2-liter GTDI ST and 625 grams for 2-liter GDI engine. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.